In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Ringcentral. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add someone to your list using the desktop app or the web version, so you can call or message them without typing numbers every time. First, open the Ringcentral app on your computer or sign in through the web version in your browser. The layout is almost identical in both, so these steps will feel familiar no matter which one you use. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Contacts. This is where all of your saved people live. If you have multiple categories, make sure you're looking at Personal or All Contacts with the Personal view selected. This is important because it ensures the new entry is saved to your own list, not to your company directory. If you don't see Personal right away, check for a drop-down or tab near the top of the Contacts pane and select it there. Now, add the new person. Look for a plus icon or a button that says Create New Contact, typically near the top right of the Contacts panel. Click that to open the contact form. You'll see fields for the essentials: name, phone number, and email. Fill in what you have, and don't worry if you don't have every detail yet. You can always come back and update it later. If the person has more than one number, add the one you'll use most for calls or texts in Ringcentral. Use the email field if you want their details handy across communications. You may also see optional fields like address, company, job title, or notes. Notes are great for context, like how you know the person or anything you want to remember for future conversations. Before saving, take a quick moment to check the spelling and make sure the phone number is entered correctly, including the country code if needed. Little details like that make calling and texting smoother. When you're done, click Save. That's all it takes. Your new contact will appear in your personal list right away. From here, you can find them in the Contacts section, or simply use the search bar to pull up their name. You'll be able to call, text, or start a conversation directly from their contact card. If you ever need to edit the contact, open it again from your list and update the fields. No need to recreate anything. Keeping your contacts organized like this helps you move faster in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to add contacts in Ringcentral with confidence.